The CICICO 2 Pcs Fridge Lock set is a simple solution for keeping things secure. It comes with 2 small locks. Each lock has adhesive pads. These pads stick to surfaces like refrigerator doors or cabinet drawers. The pads measure about 2.1 by 1.5 inches. This size makes them suitable for various uses. You can use them to prevent children from accessing the fridge. You can also use them to secure cabinets. This could be helpful in places like hotels, where you might want to keep certain items out of reach. The locks are basic but serve their purpose. They help establish boundaries. The adhesive seems reliable enough for general use. Now, if you have very strong children, or if you are storing heavy seafood or fish in your freezers, it might not be enough. For daily use, the CICICO 2 fridge locks are a decent addition. They can help address the issue of kids opening the fridge too often. They can also prevent accidental opening of freezer doors. This could save you from spoiled food. The locks are easy to install. You just peel off the backing and stick them on. The locking mechanism is simple. You push a small button to lock and unlock. The locks are small and don't take up much space. They are not designed for heavy-duty security. They are more for basic childproofing or keeping things closed. The rack where you store your snacks might be safe from little hands. Overall, the CICICO 2 fridge locks are a practical product. They offer a simple way to add security. They are good for refrigerators, freezers, and cabinets. The reliability seems fine for normal use. They are not meant to replace high security locks, but they are a good, basic option. They work well for keeping kids out of places they shouldn't be. If you need a simple lock for your fridge or cabinets, these are worth considering. Pros: strong adhesive, effective childproofing, works on fridges, works on drawers, works on cabinets, easy installation, multiple keys included, extra adhesives included, aesthetically pleasing, good for security, durable, simple locking. Cons: adults can easily rip them off. Locks won't stay glued down. Keys from other locks open these. Not foolproof. Not for valuables. Locks can be picked easily. Need a key every time. Locks don't lock. Easily pop open. 2-year-old can open the fridge. Combination locks don't work. Features: 2-pack, fridge lock, child safety, mini size, freezer use, cabinet lock, drawer lock, toilet lock, pad size, 2.1 by 1.5 inches, adhesive pads. The CICICO 2-pack fridge lock helps keep kids out of refrigerators, freezers, cabinets, and drawers. These small locks use sticky pads to attach to surfaces, preventing doors from opening. They can also be used on toilet seats. Each pad measures 2.1 by 1.5 inches. These locks are a simple way to add child safety to your home. The CICICO 2-pack fridge lock aims to childproof refrigerators, drawers, and cabinets with strong adhesive and simple key operation. While easy to install and visually appealing, it has significant drawbacks. Some users report the adhesive fails, locks don't stay fastened, and keys are not unique, compromising security. Additionally, the locks can be easily forced open, making them unsuitable for valuables and ineffective against determined children.